Hi everyone, this is going to be the reading for Pisces for June 2021. This can apply if you're a Pisces Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, Mars, as well as North Node. So be sure to check out the other signs in case this video does not resonate with you. And right now I'm taking bookings for personal readings. So if you'd like to book a natal chart reading with me, a synastry chart or relationship compatibility, or even a tarot card reading with me, you can drop me a message on my Facebook or email. Both the links are in the description box under this video. So let's look at the cards. The first card I got is Judgment. The second card is the King of Cups. The third card is the Death card in reverse. Let's look at a couple of more cards and then I'll start the reading. What are the other messages for Pisces for June 2021? We have the Four of Pentacles. What else for Pisces for June 2021? We have Queen of Swords in reverse. We have Ace of Pentacles. So let's get started. I'll do some clarifications along the way as well. So the first, the general message that I'm getting is there could be a Scorpio in your life. Like I'm picking up strong love and money energy in this reading. So when it comes to a romantic relationship, this could be a Scorpio in your life because the King of Cups turned up as well as the Death card in reverse. So this is highly, Scorpionic energy. Doesn't have to be a Scorpio Sun. It could be Scorpio Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, Mars, as well as North Node, or just somebody who embodies the Scorpio energy or archetype, right? So there is a Scorpio person in your life. I'm going to do some clarifications on that, but I feel like because the Death card is turning up in reverse, you are on the verge of ending this relationship. Um, I feel like the relationship is not really working out for you the way you wanted it to. Um, the Judgment card is also turning up, which means that karma, you know, is being, the karmic dues are being paid. Like if this person did you wrong, or if somebody else did you wrong, Pisces, they are getting their dues. The Judgment card is also about your calling in life. So I feel like in the month of June you're realizing your life purpose. So this doesn't have to do with your career as such. This could be your soul calling, your life purpose, where you're discovering what it is that you're supposed to do with your life, which direction you're supposed to be headed. You could be a little bit guarded when it comes to your money and finances because the Four of Pentacles turned up. And the Four of Pentacles is this energy of being guarded and cautious, but also this energy of fearfulness where you feel like you might lose your money. Um, I'm going to do some clarifications on that, but then in the month of June, I feel like you're a little bit cautious about your money. You have this fear that you might lose your money for some reason. The Queen of Swords is also turning up in reverse. The Queen of Swords is typically Libra energy. And in this reading, I feel like this could have been a person with Libra influence as well when it comes to a romantic relationship. Or this could simply be your energy, Pisces, where usually the Queen of Swords is this energy of being very harsh, saying things the way they need to be said, not mincing words, um, not trying to sugarcoat things, that sort of thing. But because the Queen of Swords is coming up in reverse, I feel like the fear that I'm picking up on with this Four of Pentacles is connected to this. I feel like you are a little bit afraid of speaking your mind, Pisces. And Pisces, you can be sometimes guilty of this because you're not a sharpshooter. You're not like the fire signs who say the way things are and they don't really have much of a filter most of the time. Pisces, you're very compassionate. You usually tend to be very accommodating of other people's feelings and emotions, and you don't like to hurt people. So you're very cautious about what you say and the way you come across. But sometimes the flip side is you don't really speak your truth as a result of this. A lot of the times you keep your emotions suppressed, and you can often have this victim complex where you feel like people have done you wrong, but a lot of it can have to do with your own undoing because Pisces rules the 12th house, which is the house of undoing. It's ruled by Neptune, which is again this energy of self deception and delusion. So sometimes, Pisces, you can create your own self fulfilling prophecy by not speaking your truth. So the Queen of Swords in reverse is telling me that you may be shying away from saying something that needs to be said. And I'm feeling like this has to do something with the relationship with the Scorpio person. Maybe you need to have an honest and open communication with the Scorpio person about something that's bothering you, something that's not working out. Because Pisces, you can often avoid confrontation. You can choose to sort of be silent rather than talking about what it is that's bothering you. And a lot of people can take it as you being wishy-washy, or being a little bit flaky because you are not taking a stand. And I'm not trying to be judgmental or harsh here, but I just feel like if you just have an honest conversation with the Scorpio person about whatever it is that's bothering you, having a two-way, honest, transparent conversation, that's going to really open up new doors in the relationship. Because honestly, I feel like communication is the key to succeeding in any relationship. I want to do some clarification. So I want to do a clarification on this Four of Pentacles that came up. What is this fear that you're feeling? What is the sense of being guarded? So I got two energies. One is the Nine of Wands in reverse as a clarification for the Four of Pentacles, and I'm getting the Ace of Wands in reverse. Now, wands are fiery energy, right? Like, wands is about fire, it's about getting things done, it's about taking charge and taking action. Now, because the Nine of Wands upright is this energy of being very defensive, very guarded. Your walls are up, you're protecting your boundaries, and I feel like those are off. Now, Pisces, you're not very well known for having extremely strong boundaries because you operate in compassion. Like, your core values are about compassion. You truly believe like we are all one soul at the end of the day, so you don't really feel like there needs to be much of boundaries, and that can be your weak spot. And I feel like in the month of June, your boundaries are a little bit down, where you're not really honoring your own truth. Some boundaries have been violated, and which is why you need to speak up on it. You need to talk to the Scorpio person and tell them what you're feeling. The Ace of Wands in reverse, aces are about, good fortune and positive things that the universe sends your way, but somehow you're blocking your blessings because you're not speaking your truth. And when we are not true to ourselves, we can operate in a state of fear, which is what this Four of Pentacles is telling me. You can operate in this space of fear where you are constantly guarded, where you feel like something is going to be taken away from you. That's the energy of the Four of Pentacles, like holding on to something because you feel like it's going to be taken away from you. So it's really important that you speak about whatever it is that's bothering you. Like, you don't have to accuse the other person, but you can definitely be honest and transparent about it in a very compassionate way. Let's look at the Judgment card. I want to do a clarification on the Judgment card. What is this? It's the Nine of Cups coming out as a clarifier in reverse. So I feel like there has been a sense of dissatisfaction about something. I feel like it has to do with somebody who did you wrong in the past. I feel like somebody did you wrong. Somebody played you or did you dirty, and that really upset you. So this has ruined your Nine of Cups moment. Like, Nine of Cups upright is this energy of being really happy. It's called a happy card because you're really contented with what you're going on. You're in the moment. You're really zen. You're really peaceful. And I feel like something happened in the past where somebody like did you wrong. Like, they played you, and because of that, your sense of balance and peace has been upset. But now karma is being served because the Judgment card has turned up. So that is very much about karma being served, the universe balancing things and bringing things in order to restore peace. I want to do a clarification on this Judgment card. What is the Judgment card exactly for you, Pisces? What is this Judgment card? Okay, so I got the Emperor as a clarifier. So I feel like this could have quite literally been an Aries person in your life who did you wrong, who wasn't the person that you thought they were. They were very, how do I say, like, they really took away your peace of mind. They were not very healthy for you in a relationship. And Pisces, your energy is very soft. You're very compassionate. You can sometimes forget to take care of yourself. So you take care of the other person so much that you forget to take care of yourself. You can often neglect yourself. And this person, the Emperor, possibly an Aries or even a fire sign, they could have been very demanding. They could have taken advantage of your niceness, of your compassion. and that is probably why you felt really out of alignment with your energies. You felt like a lack of happiness or a lack of peace. But now karma is being restored, and whoever this person did you wrong, they are getting their dues. So don't worry about it, Pisces. So that's the reading for you for the month of June. If you like this video, do be sure to give it a thumbs up and a like. Drop in a comment in the comment box if it resonated with you. And if you'd like to book a reading with me, you can contact me on Facebook or email. Both the links are in the description box underneath this video. I'll see you in my next video. Bye, guys.